Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this short tutorial, I'll teach you how to fix no service issue on iPhone. So let's get started the video without any delay. Solution 1. Select 4G LTE option. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, tap on mobile service. Then tap on mobile data option. Here turn on the toggle for data roaming. After that, tap on voice and data. And here select the LTE option. Now go back to the previous menu. Again go back. And here tap on network selection. Here make sure the toggle for automatic is turned on. Solution 2. Reset network settings. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on general. In general settings, scroll all the way down and tap on transfer or reset iPhone. Next select reset. Then select the second option, reset network settings, in the pop-up menu. Enter your iPhone's passcode and tap on reset network settings to confirm that you want to reset your network settings. Solution 3. Make sure your software is up to date. For that, open the settings menu on your iOS device. In settings menu, scroll down and tap on general. In general settings, tap on software update. Here make sure that you are using the latest version of iOS.